Statistics shows that 90% people are losing money to the stock market. And why? ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा, ये सेबी की वेबसाइट में मेंशन है फ्रेंड्स. एंड मेजर रीजंस बिहाइंड इट, lack of risk management, lack of knowledge over the market, and people are having a speculative nature in the options. So we have created one specific program for the option trading, that's the option Vertex. Now this program aims to empower the participants about the robust foundation for the derivatives and option trading, जहां पर आप सीखेंगे ऑप्शन स्ट्रैटेजीज, वेदर इट इज डायरेक्शनल और नॉन डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट टेक्निक्स along with the option Greeks, say delta, gamma, theta, vega, rho, in live workshop of this 30 days. And this live workshop of option Vertex will help you to understand the sentimental analysis of the market using open interest through dedicated revision and doubt clearing session, जिसके थ्रू आप स्किल, नॉलेज और कॉन्फिडेंस ऐड कर पाएंगे खुद में. बी यू आर अ ट्रेडर, इन्वेस्टर, प्रोफेशनल, वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, रिसर्च एनालिस्ट और अ डीलर, this program is meant for you. Talking about the USP of the program, this program is designed in such a way that it makes you industry ready in just 3 months of trading, and it will help you to be the part of 10% trading communities which is making money out of the market. And in this you will learn advanced directional, non-directional trading strategies like leap, jump, gamma blast, delta hedging, IV spread, and club with the event day trading. And at the end, after 1 year mentorship program, advanced algorithms and the advanced study material, it will make you better than ever. As mentioned, this program include 1 year mentorship worth ₹60,000, 2 months का free brokerage contract with a specific brokerage up to 10,000, advanced algorithm softwares of 25,000 and advanced study materials of 5,000, as well as 1 month का live trading workshop. So if you wish to join this program and become the part of 10% trading community, but before clicking on this particular link, please read all these descriptions, what people and students are talking about this particular program. So friends, welcome you all on Option Vertex.